down, same chanting we do, and but because of time, I am not going to translate this one. Just Vedic chanting is Sanskrit chanting. It actually purify the atmosphere as well. So that's why Shanti mantra. Everything is a Shanti mantra. It is Shanti mantra for whole world. Just 2 or 3 I will recite, and then next step. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinabadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shanno Mitra Shanvarunah Shanno Bhavatvaryama Shanna Indro Brihaspatihi Shanno Vishnurukramaha Namo Brahmane Namaste Vayo Tameva Pratyaksham Brahmasi Tvameva Pratyaksham Brahma Vadishyami Rutam Vadishyami Satyam Vadishyami Tanmam avatu Tadvaktaram avatu Avatu mam Avatu vaktaram. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om.